Today we're going to talk about inflections ed and ing. Our learning target says I can explain the meanings and spell words with ed, ing. Add ed to the end of a verb to tell about an action that already happened. Add ing to tell what is happening or will happen. Let's look at this example. Jump plus ed equals jumped. Jump plus ing equals jumping. Let's look at some more examples. The past tense version is we planned. The present tense form is we are planning. The future tense form is we will be planning. Let's look at another example. In the past, riders turned. Notice the ed ending since it's already happened. In the present, riders are turning. Ing ending. In the future, riders will be turning. Also the ing ending on that verb.